On the channel, I did a build 3 years ago called the $2,000 Cadillac build.
Oh, yeah.
It was an i7 8700K. That machine is still at home. After building that machine, i7 8700K, Z390 motherboard, 32 gigs of RAM, GTX 1080 Ti, a few SSDs, etc. I took that home and turned that into my gaming PC. It replaced my i7 4790K as my personal gaming PC at home. And it's been there ever since. It was only replaced last week with the Stormtrooper build from December, which is an i9 9900K, and ironically a RTX 2070 Super, but it's fine for a variety of reasons because I'm not using the 4K monitors for gaming now, which is another story.
Well, unless you change them.
I'm not going to.
You're not going to.
No. So here's the deal. I don't think I'm going to. We'll see. Unless I get a 38-inch.
He's going to.
No, I don't know yet.
He's going to. I'm your wife. He's going to.
So here's the deal.
It's a good idea you've got there, by the way.
I have not reinstalled Windows on that computer since I built it. It has a
That's
3-year-old
a
install
long
of
time.
Windows.
That's a long time.
Think of this. How much have I used that PC? I Twitch streamed. I've installed games.
You've edited videos.
I've done all kinds of stuff on that machine.
Yep.
And I have never once reinstalled Windows. But what do? I take care of my computers. I don't download random junk. I don't click on random websites. I uninstall programs. I keep my machine clean. I'm picky about who I let onto my computer.
Yes.
So, I just ran this like a day and a half ago.
Oh, okay.
This is the user benchmark result of my computer at home. And now, granted, user benchmark CPU comparisons are pretty crap because of the way they weight single and multi-core. But in their overall PC status, what they do is they compare identical hardware. How is your computer performing against other computers with the exact same hardware?
Okay.
And in that regard, it can be a useful benchmark because it will let you know whether or not your computer is performing at least as it should. Rather than the judgment of whether it's better or worse than somebody else's,
Yep.
is it at least doing what that level of hardware should be doing? If you've got an FX 8300, obviously your FX 8300 is going to be worse than a modern machine. But if you're wondering, is my FX 8300 at least running the way an FX 8300 should, you can run user benchmark and it will give you a percentile place.
It will.
And that's what this is right here. This is my MSI Z370 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard, which is what that machine was built with. I never changed it. And it's an i7 8700K. Overall, this PC is performing way above expectations in the 90th percentile. Out of 100 PCs with exactly the same components, 10 performed better. This PC is likely operated by a technical master. That is a 3-year-old
It is.
dirty install of Windows 10.
Yep.
That is a 3-year-old used install of Windows 10.
It's very true.
I do not like messing with my personal machine.
Nope.
I want stable, I want perfect, I want fast, I want responsive, and I ain't got time for any garbage.
And quiet.
And quiet. And if any of you are having trouble with your computer, if you're running anything built in the past 10 years and your computer blue screens, freezes, hard locks, crashes, or otherwise throws you to the desktop with an error,
It's fussy.
in any way, 2 things have happened. You have a physical hardware problem and you need to change something in your hardware, or your Windows install is borked and you need a clean wipe and a reinstall of Windows. And it sucks because once Windows is borked, there's no fixing it. You just have to wipe the drive and reinstall Windows.
But get your data off first.
Well, yes, obviously.